Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Voya retirement accounts step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from your Voya retirement accounts, gather the necessary information. This includes your account number, social security number, and any identification required. Next, log into your Voya account through the official website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts for new users. Once logged in, navigate to the account section of the dashboard. Look for an option labeled Withdrawals or Distributions. Click on that option to start the withdrawal process. You will be presented with different types of withdrawals, such as full or partial distributions. Choose the type of withdrawal that fits your needs. Read through the information provided about each withdrawal option. Select the amount you wish to withdraw if you are making a partial withdrawal. Afterward, choose your method for receiving the funds. Methods may include a direct deposit to your bank account or a check sent to your address. Make sure to review any applicable fees or tax implications related to your withdrawal. Once you've confirmed your choices, proceed to submit the withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding your request. Keep an eye on your account for updates on the status of your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, contact Voya's customer service for assistance. Follow any additional steps if requested, based on your specific situation. Your withdrawal should be processed within the time frame specified by Voya. Finally, ensure you consult with a financial advisor regarding the impact of your withdrawal on your retirement savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.